Hi guys and girls on YouTube, welcome to my channel. I wasn't planning on doing another video till the new year, but I got some inspiration the other day from watching John Joe's Irish Vintage TV and Radio YouTube channel, and in his workshop he got some Pifco Christmas tree lights hanging up. Now, as a repairer, you'd be surprised at what things people actually bring into my shop for repair. So I thought we'd take a quick look at these before they go back. A set of vintage Pifco Christmas tree lights came in for repair, and when I was a kid I always remember Pifco products. They used to make bikes for they used to make lights for bikes and hand lanterns and very cheap electrical goods, and most of them were made in Hong Kong. So I'm a bit surprised to see this set of Christmas tree lights is actually made, it says British made on the box. But let's take a quick look before the customer comes to collect them later on.